Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we will learn about what is script include in ServiceNow, where we can use script includes and how many types of script includes are there and also how to call script includes from client side. Okay. So yeah, this is a very simple definition for script include. Script includes are reusable Java scripts which can be called from any server side script and in some cases from client side too. Okay. We can use this script includes in business rules, reference qualifiers, UI action, and in other script include also. There are total three types of script includes are there. On demand or classless script include, extend an existing class, and define a new class script include. Okay, let's figure out one use case for script include to understand more about script include. Okay, let me open one incident record first. Here, whenever I change the caller detail, the email of that particular caller will display over here in the email field. Okay, we will achieve this use case through script include and also I will tell you how to call script includes from client side. Okay, so first we will create one on change client script here. By on change client script means every time when I change the caller information, the email of that particular caller will display over here, right? So that's why we are going to define one on change client script for this. Okay, so to save our time, I have already created one on change client script. Let me explain the code first. So this is the on change client script with name as caller details and for which table we are implementing this on change client script incident, right? And the type is on change. Okay, on change of which field? Caller, right? So every time when I change this caller field, then the email of that particular caller will display in this email field. So that's why we have selected here on change of caller field. Okay. So this is the script, guys. So first using on change client script, we are getting the caller details. Okay. And we are storing that in one variable. After that, we are passing this caller details to script include. Okay. If you observe here, this caller is a reference field, right? So it will return the sysID of that user. Using onChange client script, we are getting the sysID of this particular caller. After that, we are sending that particular sysID to the script include to get the email of that particular user. Okay. So first using g underscore form dot get value method, we are getting the caller information. Okay. And we are storing in the one variable called caller details. Here, how to call script include from client side using glide ajax, right? So let me tell you what is meant by glide ajax. Yeah, glide ajax is a class used by client script. It allows the execution of server code from client side. Okay, we should initialize the glide ajax with a script include name as a parameter which we want to use. Okay, so let me tell you. Using glide ajax class only, we can be able to call the script include from client side. Okay, new we need to define one variable ga equals new glide ajax and this is the script include name. Okay, and ga dot add param sysparam underscore name, this is the script include function or method name, and this is the sysparam value where we are passing the variable. Okay, this is the variable, right? Caller details, this caller details which holds the sysID of that particular caller. Okay, and using callback function we are returning the result from server side code. Okay, here the function callback response variable answer equal to. Okay, this is a line of script which we need to remember, guys. Response dot response XML document element. So here this answer, whatever answer that we are returning from the server side code always will be in XML format. Okay, we have to convert it into normal format using this line of script. Okay, so after getting the answer, we have to set that value in the email field, right? So we have to set that email value in this email field. Okay. Now this answer variable will hold the result from the server side code, right? So that's why using g underscore form dot set value method, this is a field name, right? U underscore email, we are setting the answer. Okay. So this is about on change client script. So let me open a script include code also. So this is a script include which I have created with the name email details. This is the API name which is automatically populated, and this is the client callable, right? Because we are calling this script include from client side. That's why we check this checkbox. If we are calling this script include from server side code means, then we don't want to check this checkbox. Okay. So that is the use of client callable checkbox. This is the script, right? So here I have defined one function called email information. So here whatever the sysID that we are getting from the on-change client script, we are passing it to the script include. Okay, using this dot get parameter sysparam value. See, this is a sysparam value, right? Here we are storing the sysID of that caller. Okay, in this variable. So we are sending this caller details to the script include using this dot get parameter. Okay, and we are storing in one variable called email data. So now we have the sysID of that particular caller. Now what we need? We need the email of that user, right? So we have to glide to the user table. So using glide record method, I am gliding to that user table. After that, using add query method, we are filtering the sysID of that particular caller. Okay, this is the sysID field name, and this is the email data variable which consists of the sysID of the caller, which is coming from the on-change client script. Okay, we have to use the query method. After that, we are returning the user email here. Okay, so let's save this and we will test the scenario. So now I am going to change the caller name. So now here I am going to change the caller to able tutor. See, automatically the email of the table tutor has been populated here. Okay, so we'll change another caller. See, Alina Rebecca, the email of that caller has been populated here. Okay, so this is how we can populate the caller email using script include, guys. In my previous video, I have explained using on change client script. Today, in this video, I have explained using the script include, okay? Script include with GlideAjax call, okay? I hope you like this video and also please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Have a nice day. Thank you. Bye bye.